Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Razer Smart Switch Dual Wireless, switch the connection from a PC or console to a phone with a simple toggle. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. 285G ergonomic design, built for gaming marathons and portable enough for daily commutes, its lightweight build. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. 6-zone ear cup lighting, with access to 16.8 million colors and a suite of lighting effects, apply the preferred. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying I bought my Razer Barracuda X on sale for $89. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.